Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? My name's Tobias, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Apple credit card. And I'm going to be breaking this video up into 4 sections. So first, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. Then 2, we'll talk about applying for the card and getting set up. 3, I'll go over the features and benefits of the card. And then finally, number 4, I'll go ahead and give you my final thoughts and opinion on the Apple credit card. And I'll have timestamps down below in case you want to skip around. And let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. As you can see, it was sent via FedEx, and it took a little under a week for me to receive the card. To activate the card, all you have to do is hold your iPhone up to the card. And the only personal information on the card is your name. So now let's go ahead and move on to our second section, which is applying for the card and getting set up. So the Apple credit card is not an exclusive card, and it's not hard to get approved. As long as you have a decent credit score, no delinquencies, and a good debt to income ratio, I imagine that you should get approved. But who knows, I can't say for certain, and it may also help to already have a credit card before applying for the Apple credit card. You can apply by going to card.apple.com/apply. And if you qualify, you will be approved right away. And you can actually start using your card right away as well. You'll then be guided through the steps on how to set up your Apple card in the Wallet app on your iPhone. And I probably wouldn't actually recommend getting the Apple card if you don't have an iPhone, because if you don't have an iPhone, you're gonna miss out on the features of the Apple card on your iPhone, which is a pretty big part of having the card. And you actually don't have to get a physical card if you don't want to, and you won't get a physical card until you request it. So they won't just automatically send you this card. So before you receive your physical card, or if you just choose not to have a physical card, you can use your Apple card via Apple Pay, and you can also buy stuff online. If you go into your Wallet app and click on your Apple card, and then click the little circle in the top right of the screen with the 3 little dots on it, you can access your credit card number, your expiration date, and also your security code. And as far as applying and getting set up goes, just go to the website, apply, and it's pretty much self-explanatory from there. The website will walk you through the process. And now let's move on to the features and benefits of the Apple card. So first of all, it is a free credit card, which is cool. There's no annual fees, there's no transaction fees, no penalty fees, and no other fees at all. And just a quick side note, the APR will be between 10.99% and 21.99%. Personally, my APR is 15.99%, and they determine your APR based on your credit worthiness as well as other factors. But the way I see it is just pay off your entire credit card balance 100% every month, never miss a payment, and you won't have to worry about an interest rate. Now, as for the cash back benefits, you'll get 3% cash back when you use Apple Pay at these places, including Apple, Uber, and Nike. You'll get 2% cash back whenever you use Apple Pay at any other place, and you'll get 1% cash back whenever you use the Titanium card. Another cool thing about the Apple card is that you can finance new Apple products over time interest-free. And you'll also get your 3% daily cash back up front. And you can use your cash back to pay your balance, to send to friends, or you can even make purchases with it. And unlike some credit cards, you don't need a minimum balance to utilize your cash back, which is pretty cool. And inside the app, you can track your spending, pay your balance, and you can even text or call support if you're having issues, or maybe you just want to increase your credit limit, which I've actually heard is pretty easy to do. So there are some pretty cool things that come along with the Apple credit card. So now let's move on to my personal opinion on the card. To be 100% honest with you guys, there are 3 reasons that I got the Apple credit card. 1, because it looks cool. 2, because it's made out of metal. And 3, I'm just kind of an Apple fanboy. And I'm not joking at all. That's why I got this card. I already have 4 other credit cards and I definitely didn't need another one. And since I've had this credit card, which I think I've just had it a few weeks, I've only actually used it one time, and that was to go online and buy this brand new office chair that I'm sitting on right now. And I used the Apple credit card to buy the chair just because I wanted to test out the credit card. And typically for the majority of my purchases, I would use my Discover It card. This is that card right here. The Discover It card is a great credit card that most people can get, and it's also a free card. And in my opinion, the benefits of the Discover It card are better than the Apple card. For example, you can get 5% cash back at different places, and these places change every quarter. And they're all places that people typically go to regularly, like grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, and even Amazon.com. And aside from that, you get 1% cash back on all other purchases. For the Apple credit card, I'll hardly ever get the 3% cash back because I rarely buy new Apple products or shop at any of the other places they have listed. However, if I want to finance an expensive Apple product in the future, it'll be cool knowing that I can get that 0% interest financing with the Apple card. So in the end, guys, if you want to get the Apple credit card because it looks cool, I can confirm that yes, it does look very cool. However, if you're looking for a credit card that has the best cashback options or other benefits, there's probably other credit cards out there. So anyways, guys, I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Would you get the Apple credit card? Do you already have the Apple credit card? Let me know in the comments below. And I know this video is super unusual for my channel. I'm not a finance guy. I never talk about finance stuff. I'm probably someone you shouldn't listen to about finance stuff. But I just got this Apple credit card, so I thought I would make a video on it. But however, I do have other ideas for credit card videos in the future. If you guys are interested, let me know down in the comments below because I do have a couple interesting credit card video ideas. So if any of you guys might be interested in that, please let me know down in the comments below. I could post those videos on my whatever Wednesdays where I post videos on any topic or reviews on any product. Just let me know down in the comments below. And if you did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. If you'd like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias. Typically here on YouTube, I post tech reviews, I post fish videos, I post reviews on a ton of different stuff, mostly tech stuff. So if you might be interested in any of those things, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.